What if you could scale a six-figure coaching business while homeschooling to kids, managing school runs, and still making it to bedtime stories? For Maya, a single mom and mindset coach, it wasn't a dream. It was her reality powered, not by hustle, but by smart AI leverage. She started in 2022, offering one-to-one sessions at $150 an hour. She loved her clients, but she was drowning, scheduling, pre-work, follow-ups, and content creation 20+ hours a week. She knew she couldn't scale without burning out, so she rebuilt her business around AI, not against it. First, she automated intake, using tally forms plus make.com. New clients answer a few thoughtful questions. An AI, a fine-tuned GPT, analyzes their responses and generates a personalized pre-session insight report delivered before their first call. Clients feel seen instantly. Maya walks in already knowing their core patterns. Next, she replaced generic email sequences with dynamic, behavior-triggered messaging. If a client watches a module on self-worth but skips the journal prompt, an AI assistant sends a gentle nudge. "I noticed you connected with the self-worth lesson. Want to try the 5-minute reflection?" Open rates jumped to 68%. For content, she stopped scripting reels from scratch. Every Sunday, she records a 10-minute voice note on her phone about what's coming up in her life or client work. She uploads it to Descript, which transcribes and edits it. Then, OpusClip AI turns it into 5 to 7 shorts, complete with captions, B-roll suggestions, and hooks. She reviews and posts in 15 minutes. Her biggest win, the Coaching Companion, a custom GPT she built for clients. It's trained on her frameworks, language, and past session notes with consent. Between sessions, clients message it for accountability, reframing tools, or journal prompts. It never gives advice, only reflects her methodology. "It's like having Maya in my pocket," one client said. She charges $297 a month for group coaching, including access to the AI companion. AI handles the repetition. Maya brings the empathy, the intuition, the sacred space. And because her systems run quietly in the background, she's present, truly present for her kids, her clients, and herself. This isn't about replacing human connection. It's about protecting it by automating everything that dilutes it. Maya's story proves that scaling isn't about doing more. It's about designing a business that serves your life, not the other way around. If you found this empowering, whether you're a parent, coach, or anyone building around real life, please like this video, share it with someone who's trying to do it all, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest stories on AI-powered entrepreneurship, ethical automation, and innovation that honors both ambition and humanity. Let's build businesses that let us thrive, not just survive.